Hey Foodie Fam, I lost 44 pounds and counting following a plant-based lifestyle, and today I'm showing you exactly how I did it on a budget. This is part 2 of my Aldi grocery haul series, and in this video I'm showing you some of my recipes that I have in my 7-day meal plan for fat loss using everything that I got from Aldi. If you missed that video, make sure you go back to part 1 to see how I spent only $60 at Aldi's to get a week plus worth of food. Now let's get into how this haul turns into real meals that are delicious, nutrient packed, and help you burn fat without sacrificing flavor. When I first started my journey, what helped me stay on track was planning ahead. No guessing, no grabbing random stuff out of the fridge. We all know that famous saying, if you fail to plan, you plan to fail. The 7-day plan helps you stay full, crush cravings, and see progress without tracking every calorie or eating boring food. It's all about balance: high fiber veggies, plant-based proteins, healthy fats, and satisfying carbs. Now let's walk you through a full week. For breakfast, I like to keep it simple but filling to hold me over until lunch. My go-tos are chocolate chia pudding, overnight oats, and breakfast burritos that have tofu, beans, veggies, and salsa inside. These are high in fiber, rich in flavor, and most importantly, easy to prep ahead. Lunch is where I load up on veggies and plant-based proteins to keep me full and focused. This week, I'm doing quinoa tabbouleh, spicy soba bowls, and chickpea falafel. And the best part? These meals use the same base ingredients in different ways, so you're not buying a million things, but you're still getting variety. I'm also a huge advocate for limiting food waste, so if there's a way for me to use every bit of produce in a recipe, I'm going to find it. When dinner rolls around, I want something comforting, but light enough that I don't go to bed feeling heavy. And on this week's menu, I have creamy mushroom pasta and barbecue lentil meatballs. These are the meals that make you forget you're even eating for fat loss because they're just that good. I don't skip snacks, especially when I'm eating for fat loss. The key is choosing snacks that keep you full and don't spike your blood sugar. This week, I'm choosing some trail mix and air popped popcorn. And yes, majority of what you see here came from my Aldi haul. Budget friendly doesn't mean boring and bland. I pop the popcorn as needed so it doesn't get stale, and right now as I'm filming this, it just so happens to be snack time, so I definitely ate this as I went. To make this work for the whole week, I set aside an hour or 2 on Sunday for meal prep. I batch cook quinoa, roast a bunch of veggies, and prep my chia pudding jars. It saves me so much time during the week and helps me avoid last-minute temptations. And in full honesty and transparency, I don't like meal prepping that much. However, I do like not having to turn on my stove for the next 7+ days, not having to think about what my next meal is going to be. I like watching the scale go down on a weekly basis, and I like feeling snatched in my clothes. So I just suck it up for one day out of the week. And that's how I turned one affordable grocery list into over 21 meals that are fat loss friendly and plant-based. If you're interested in the 7-day plan with full recipes and a full grocery list, the link will be in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and share it with somebody who is trying to eat healthier on a budget. And let me know in the comments, what are y'all's favorite Aldi finds? Until next time, remember, healthy does not mean boring.